I'm going to show you how to make pad siu, the Thai stir-fry rice noodle with soy sauce. Pad means stir-fry and siu means soy sauce. This is a delicious street food dish in Thailand. Start by marinating the meat. For this, cut 10 ounces of pork loin into thin slices. You can use chicken instead. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add a pinch of salt, half tablespoon of ground white pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of fish sauce, and half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix and keep aside. For this dish, we traditionally use large fresh rice noodles. You can also make the recipe using dehydrated rice noodles. Soak them for 2 hours or more until soft, then drain them. Here, for 4 people, I use 2 pounds of fresh rice noodles. They'll come in blocks. To separate them without breaking, put them in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes at a medium power. Then gently detach them. You can also make them at home. For that, watch my video, Homemade Rice Noodles. Put them in a large container. Season them with 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Gently mix. The soy sauce will flavor the noodles and give them a nice color. Prepare 3 eggs. Chop 6 cloves of garlic. Remove the leaves from 1 pound of Gai Lan Chinese broccoli. You can also use broccoli, bok choy, or napa cabbage instead. Cut the leaves in 2 sections. Peel the stems. And cut them into slices. Now prepare the seasoning sauce. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Combine. Put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan previously heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, add a little chopped garlic. Stir as soon as we smell a good scent and before the garlic takes color. Add the Gai Lan, a pinch of salt, half tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir for 2 minutes. Keep aside. In the same pan still over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the rest of chopped garlic. Stir as soon as we smell a good aroma and before it takes color, add the marinated meat. Stir for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Poach the meat to free up space. Turn to medium heat. Put in the eggs. Stir a little from time to time. When the eggs are coagulated but still a little moist, mix them with the meat. Turn on high heat from time to time. For 30 seconds, stir a little, not too much, to get large pieces of egg. Put the rice noodles and the seasoning sauce. Occasionally stir for 3 minutes. When the noodles come into contact with the pan, they will lightly grill. Then add the Gai Lan and stir for 1 minute. Cut the fire. Pad siu is ready. Serve a plate for each guest. Sprinkle with ground white pepper. You can add the hot chili flakes. Bon appétit! To eat the Thai way, use a fork to put your food into a spoon and bring the spoon to your mouth. The rice noodles are tender. The pieces of meat are tasty. The Gai Lan brings crunch and freshness. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.